Hello guys, welcome back to another useful and informative video which is about how to fix iPhone volume automatically going up and down after iOS 17 update. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So first solution, you have turn off change with button. Your iPhone volumes may be automatically going down because of a faulty volume buttons. You can fix this by disabling the change with buttons in setting. Here's how you can do it. So open the setting, click on display and brightness, scroll up. Sorry guys, so you have click on accessibility, scroll up, click on sound and haptics with change with buttons. From here you have a turn off. From here change with buttons. The volume after airing current alerts can be adjusted using the volume buttons. Then second solution, you have restart your iPhone. You will be surprised how many temporary issue can be fixed with a quick restart. If you have tried all the fixes on this list, you have want to restart your iPhone to see if it is fixes the volume issue. Press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your iPhone, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile is restart. Then third solution is remove the iPhone case. In some cases, low quality iPhone case will make the volume on your iPhone going up and down, specifically. The case will cast pressure on the volume button. The iPhone will wrongly think that you are holding the volume button. So you cast from your iPhone, then check if the volume gets normal again. Then fourth solution, turn off Bluetooth. As for some users, the iPhone volume changes. It is on when it connected to your Bluetooth device. So you have connect turn off the Bluetooth if possible. This method may not fix everyone issues, but it is worth a try. You can open setting app and then select the Bluetooth turn off from here. Then last solution is reset all setting. If you are not sure which option is wrongly set your iPhone that result in the volume issue, you might as well effortlessly reset all setting their default status. To do this, for settings on iPhone, afterward tap on general, uh, scroll up, then you have click on transfer reset, click on reset all setting. iPhone given a password, then you have enter a password. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset all setting, then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Allah Hafiz.